Hello everyone, today we'll show you how to send verification codes via WhatsApp using YCloud. First, make sure you've created your WhatsApp business account, WABA, in the YCloud. If you're unsure how to do this, check out our previous video. Let's dive into the steps. Log into YCloud dashboard, go to WhatsApp Manager, click on Template, then click Add Template, and choose the authentication template type. WhatsApp provides a dedicated authentication template for verification codes, which includes verification code, security, disclaimer, optional. For security purposes, please do not share this code. Expiration, warning, optional. Fill in the required details according to the template format. The template name must be unique and only support lowercase letters, numbers, and underscores. Please note, once the template is submitted, it cannot be modified. Here you can choose different sending methods: copy code, autofill one-tap, and autofill zero-tap. A specific comparison is as follows. We recommend autofill zero-tap as it provides the best user experience. However, this button is currently only supported on Android devices outside of India, and implementing such a button requires changes to your app's code to perform a handshake. Additionally, the app's signing key hash needs to be modified. Then you can set a custom expiration time for the verification code. We recommend 1 to 10 minutes. If the message is not delivered within this time, it will be withdrawn and you won't be charged. If not set, the default expiration is 24 hours, which may incur additional costs. Click Submit once completed. After submission, the template status will show as Active Quality Pending. Usually, within a few minutes, it will change to Active, indicating the template is live and ready to use. Once the template status is active, you can start sending OTP messages via API. You can refer to our API documentation for the endpoint. After completing the above steps, you can set up webhook push notifications. Click Developers to Webhooks, configure the webhook endpoint, and all message status notifications will be sent to this callback URL. After setting up the webhook, you can listen for status updates for each OTP message and check if the verification code was sent successfully. WhatsApp has advantages like lower costs, speed, and security for sending verification codes. It's especially beneficial in areas with poor signal coverage, as WhatsApp is not restricted by carrier infrastructure, providing a better user experience. 1. Lower costs. WhatsApp is cheaper than SMS, especially in regions like India. 2. Secure and reliable. WhatsApp provides end-to-end encryption, ensuring data security. If sending fails, we recommend immediately using SMS for resending the message to ensure a seamless customer experience. Set up an auto-resend strategy for messages not delivered on time, and send the OTP via SMS. Businesses looking to send verification codes via WhatsApp can refer to our tutorial and use these features to improve verification efficiency and user experience. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.